Good, good, good afternoon. As per the time of this live, and yeah, it also depends on the time that I'm watching this live, and we shall learn more in this live. We shall live it together, and as you saw, we started with a confirmation. We shall learn 5 laws of the blueprint system, get some simple laws here and there, and yeah, we are good to go. So for now, I want to alert my few friends on Discord community. So follow along. So we have started our live. So I'm going live on TikTok. Um, good. Welcome to my live. Welcome to the live. Also, Joe McQueen, thank you for joining the live. The Chapo, thank you for joining the live. Shadi, thank you for joining the live. Welcome you all. Like the rest of the live. I'm still wondering what is wrong with my lighting. So, or is a filter because it doesn't kind of look of me like me. Like the rest of the live. Let me check on the effect. Not on the effect and get some data. Gichapo Shadi, thank you for joining the live. Like the live, share the live. We are live on YouTube. We are looking for signal actually that is about to confirm. We can enter it together. Pale kwa YouTube votaji 25 1S. This it's about to close that close the deadline. So we shall wait for confirmation here. And that is how we shall enter. Like the live, share the live. Gichapo, thank you for joining the live. Thank you for your support. Join the live, like the live, share the live. I want to add a new tab here for YouTube. I can see though how many are now on the YouTube. Like the live, share the live. So give follow. Thank you for joining the live. So remember, we are here for signals. So much so light. Okay, let's go. Yeah, exactly. That's better now. That's better. That's more really. Now that's more like me than the ones before. Mama boys, thank you for joining the live. Mr. D, thank you for joining the live. Okay, you can see for 25 on 5 minutes time frame. Close the red line. Currently, those who are on YouTube, it has closed the red line, but it hasn't confirmed. It hasn't confirmed. You can't enter a thing that is not confirmed. So today we are still talking about more giving more signals. You know, what the fuck is this? Oh, I think I understand it. I try to understand it better. So I want to hear, is the sound today like, how is the sound today? For those who are watching from my live on YouTube, is the sound good? Is it bad? So I want you to put a chat here. Tell me how the live is. Like the live, share the live. Tell me. Sound is great. What about on YouTube? Mr. D, are you on YouTube? And Nicomas, hi. Hi to you too. So we can see that for 3025 has just confirmed, has not confirmed. It has just closed the red line. And we are not for 3025 is not yet confirmed. If you want to speak well, I'm on stock only. So market gani na time frame gani. So maybe if you want to see whatever you are doing well, you need to go on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube and live on TikTok together. And let's see what people on YouTube saying. How is the sound on YouTube? Yes? Somebody can, so that you can see the screen, you can see the market, the time frame. We are on for 3025. And we are waiting for confirmation. Waiting for confirmation. So I'm checking for my trading computer. So this is where I take my trades when I'm live. It's a very powerful machine, but it's not the latest. So you get the confirmation like that for 3025. So it is a confirmed buy. So you just take your buy position. Let me put a trade on my live. account. Then I'll show you how you are supposed to do. If you are on YouTube, you can continue seeing. You are on Hotaito 25. It has confirmed live. It has confirmed higher. It has confirmed which contract type, multipliers app. Let me put a trade. I'll put a trade with the $15 stake on a multipliers app. So, okay. For those who are wondering and are watching from YouTube, 10 seconds is not so much. So we come here. I've already my trade is running. So it is what I do. You can see my trade already right now is in profit. If you took exactly as I took it, my trade already right now is in profit. So I'm trading on multipliers. So multipliers, we can just use as like $50. A multiplier I use multiplied by 500. Then we take profit. Let's put it like that. But right now the trade is already in profit when you just trade up like that. And you can see immediately it was confirmed how it is going. I'm almost hitting my take profit on the real account here on this computer here. So sadly, like the video, like for have the screen, like the live, share the live. If you want to see the signals that we are talking about, make sure you go on YouTube. Go make sure you check my live on YouTube. So this is just for demonstration. So we took our signal exactly at this point. I can put a line there. And our trade is in profit right now. So also your trade should be in profit right now. That is where we took our trade. Already it's in the profit. If you are trading live, already you took it. How long shall we wait? I'm live, so I'll tell you. For me, I'm holding until I get like $10 on the $15 I picked. So I'll let you know. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. So remember this one we entered late. This one we entered late, but it's no problem. So I'm seeing it back to the entry, but provided there is a confirmation. You can see this, Votahi 25 confirmed by the broking system. That is what you follow. Always follow the broking system because the win rate is very high. Just thank you for joining the live. Which name do you use on YouTube? Prof. Ben Blueprint Trader. Prof. Ben the Blueprint Trader. Just ask Prof. Ben the Blueprint Trader. Thank you for joining the live. I've got the screen like the live, share the live. If you're on YouTube, tell me whether my sound is bad, good, or Joseph. How is my sound? So when you are here, you can see the screen, you can see whatever is happening. So this was the entry. The market is back to entry. It is playing a little bit. Our target is at least $10 on the multipliers. On my live, I don't like trading live. The reason is for this reason. You see the delay. Because if you are following along, you can see this is our entry. The market first went up. Immediately there is a confirmation as we did it. You can watch the live how we started. Send a shout out to me, please. My name is Nikomusi, please. Nikomusi. So, what kind of shout out? I'm looking for your derib analysis tool. Which derib analysis tool are you talking about? Okay, you can also join on YouTube. You can see how we are trading with the blueprint system. We are back huge in profit. We are back huge in profit. I'm almost hitting my take profit in the $15 I staked. Almost hitting my $10 take profit. I'm almost hitting $10 take profit. And this is a live trade. We have started before this system confirmed. If you joined early enough, 3025. We started before. I'm saying almost now hitting my take profit. Almost hitting my take profit. $2 to hitting the take profit. Hey, Professor Freddy Kefa, how are you? How is that going? I'm here live on YouTube and live on YouTube. If you want to see the screen, you go on YouTube. My friend there, Freddy. YouTube sound and video are poor. I've been asking that. How is the sound on YouTube? Iko chini, weka pale kwa yellow. Okay. Hello. So, let me put. Is it better? Is it better? You know this sound sometimes. Mpole is saying sound is not that clear. Mercy Gitao, thank you for joining the live. You know this is why I do end my live trading. And the way we got that, it is almost hitting the take profit. For those who are joining me on YouTube, we entered this trade right here. This is where we entered. After confirmation by the system, you can watch back. Now, if those below that point just a little bit, we hit our take profit. Just a little bit, we hit our take profit when we entered. Oh my! I'm about to cross this trade. I'm about to cross this trade. I'm trying my best to keep the video, and the video on YouTube is sound now better. Oh, maybe it's some few seconds delay. I will check on those delays. I don't know. It's okay. When you are trading on YouTube, live on YouTube, you use an external software of which some seconds can affect the trade so much. This you see this software is the one delaying that. It's not like on the YouTube. So this before maybe it processes and posts the live, we get some seconds behind. So if you compare it with YouTube, with TikTok, you see that TikTok is a former Kalash TP hit. If you hit, or are you asking or you're saying? For me, it means with $1, but you could have taken your profit. This was the entry. This was the entry. But I'm still holding and because it's a confirmed trade. But if you are trading live, all those contracts already like now you have hit the take profit. Already those contracts are hit their take profit. So provided the grouping system confirmed, you can see if you want to check how we ended up to this trade when it was here, you can just watch back the live. Just come here, watch some few minutes behind. If you, for example, come and watch at that time, okay, that's not then. If you, this is now my live, I'm watching it behind how it was. So this is the time before it's confirmed. You can see that trade for those who are joining my live right now. Patrick 44, thank you for joining the live. I've the screen like the live, share the live. Watch the live on YouTube if you want to see the screen. And it should be playing. So then it is confirmed, and this is the confirmation. Then that is the time you are supposed to read the license all immediately. So, and that is what happened. It started going on. That is when I entered my trade. After the confirmation here, when you treat live or higher, you get some good trades. But then I'll go back to whatever. That is the live. If you want to watch it, just go behind and watch. Otherwise, this is the current situation. This is the current situation. So that is how the booking system works. So V Valentine, thank you for joining the live. Let me take this call. Hello, hebu niangalia, niko live lakini eh, hiyo that minute eh, okay. Hello, my guys, I'm here, I'm here. For me, I'm still holding. If it comes back to that line, it's bad, but I'm still holding. That is when you are trading on multipliers. Okay, there are some few things that I don't have to explain in details during my live trade. Some contracts, you don't trade them over time, and that is why I like multipliers, because you can trade for a long time. Some like rise and fall, you need to enter immediately. For example, let me show you what I mean. And we shall see how this trade ends. Provided it is confirmed by the blueprint system, it's a good trade. You enter rise, fall, but you have to learn like how we trade rise. And it's the same scenario, but there's things that do a little bit different. Like when you're trading rise and fall or high and lower, you enter immediately. And when you are trading the ticks, you set the live ticks. When you are doing multipliers, you can actually hold your trade because you have much more control. You can put a stop loss, you can put a take profit. Those you can watch the live how we started with the broken system on that trade. And I want to give you now a new signal so that we can confirm it. And I'm ending my live in the next 20 minutes. So like that one is a sell in class 300. So that one is for catching one spike. So it is saying in the next like 4 to 5 minutes there will be a spike. Let's see how true it is. So in the next 5 minutes, it's saying that we shall have a spike down. So we shall wait 5 minutes. We shall not enter that trade, but we shall see how the system, how good is it, or we shall see that. So I'm checking on different markets for confirmations and seeing how the system is working. So also in Boom 500, we can enter this. And with a stop loss of 7 candles, we are going to have a spike up according to the blueprint system. So entry is from now. So from here, you count 8 candles according to the system. And those who are wondering where do we get boom and crash on the D trader platform on the leave, you can still get it. You can still get it. Let me duplicate this so that I can open boom and crash. Like the live, share the live. So here is where you get boom 500. So you can come use a lot size like times 300, your $50 up. Eight candles, we're expecting that. That is according to the blueprint system. And by following rules, you can be sure you are not gambling. You have a trading plan. You have something that you are following. You understand? You have something that you are following. You know what you are doing in the market. If it's the system has confirmed you enter here, you know the market is going up. You can trade lies. You understand that? And that is the most important thing. Most important thing. Like, and also, Ellie, thank you for doing the live. Those who are watching here on YouTube, so we said, according to the system, We're expecting that on the 1 minute time frame. 8 candles from now is the stop loss. Still the same thing with the crash 300. We expect something here, a spike according to the confirmation. Volatility 25 confirmed a buy and continued going up. This market on the 5 minute time frame, if you remember, it confirmed a buy here. This is our first trade, and we said we will exit once it hits. I hit my take profit, which is $10. At certain point, it was at $9. If you are using those who are using higher and lower and rise and fall already, we close our profit here. You can watch back the live to see that trade. So right now we are live trading with the broken system, and I'm on YouTube. I'm live trading with the system. So I'm showing you exactly how it is working, and we are getting signals from it. And also we are seeing how genuine is it, how bad is it? Is it something that is worth trading? But I can guarantee you, in trading, not about the blueprint system. If you have trading strategy and a trading plan that you know how exactly it works, that you can follow each single time. So you will never be trading out of feelings or emotions. Like when you trade odd and you had $70 in your account and you have already lost like $40, whatever comes into your mind is, let me first recover my $30 back. So you start doing emotional decision. You are following nothing. Okay. I'm saying it is important to have a trading strategy and a trading plan that you know how exactly it works. That is the first step of becoming consistent, profitable trader. The second step being able to follow the rules. Being able to follow the rules. Follow it and don't force anything. So for those who I said this one, now you know some of you think that this is something that you have to follow. Like this one, I have said it will drop. If you are seeing my live right now, you can actually go back and see when they confirmed, when it gave us the confirmation. I think it is here. You can see sell cash 300, and I say the total is 8. It will drop. Then this you are supposed to trade it on the multipliers here, and it is just like that. You come here, put cash 300. I said this is not my. I don't trade here. This is just for illustration. Remember, we are in a trade in volatility what? Or it has already hit the take profit. Let's see. Volatility 25. It has already hit the take profit. Yeah, it hit the take profit right here. If you haven't crossed the trade, close it. This was our first signal. This was our first signal. Hit the take profit, even though it started dropping on multipliers. First signal has hit the take profit. Second signal hit the take profit. We were expecting a spike and it has happened. Here we go. So cross that trade from the system. So that signal was in boom 500, right? So this is our that signal. Stop loss was 8 candles. Right now it remains how many candles? 5 more candles. And that is the importance of following a system. Are we together? Are we together? So for those who are wondering, I'm just talking, not showing you the system, then you are getting bored. Join my live on YouTube. There you can see the screen, and when I'm talking, as if somebody was just talking, I'm talking because I'm seeing the screen. Those who are seeing the screen, they understand better. So you better go on YouTube and watch the live in YouTube. But make sure we go to okay, like tap the screen, like the live, share the like the screen. Thank you for joining the live. So let me just concentrate on TikTok for some few minutes before we find the next signal. Or just let me find the fifth signal because I'm now ending my live in the next 15 minutes. Let me find for one signal. If there is no confirmation, don't come and start saying the market will close a red line. Will it close a red line? You must wait for confirmation and it comes with a bell. Otherwise, there is no room. You see this trade, a confirmed trade, it will still end up well, provided you are following the system. I wish we got this trade when it was being confirmed. You could have entered it. So now let's say you enter this trade once it is confirmed. You trade rice down here. You put rice, even if you are using a bot or manually, you trade rice. Use 4 to 5 ticks to avoid this going up, down, that thing. That is why you use 5. Definitely, you are winning that trade, but you have to follow. You don't see this big candle and start saying that let me enter my encourage. Let's mark them for joining the live. Apart the screen like the live, share the live. So so we are done with the 3025. It hit the take profit. Or today we should change trading multipliers. So once you get a confirmation like this, if you are trading very fast markets, like higher and low and rise fall, you enter immediately. But if you are trading on multipliers, that one can allow you to have some time. So I want to give another signal. How can I get that thing? I don't know how you call it, but it is good. The blueprint system. I'm using the blueprint system. And like here we go, I'm seeing we have like 3 minutes. If this one does not speak in 3 minutes, we get out. We get out. Suppose you have to have a trading strategy, you have to follow it exactly as it does. I'm trying to check our false signal. For those who are seeing the system for the first time, the blueprint system, send me a contact. How do I get the blueprint system? Contact me. So, just for a little explanation as I am finding signals, we trade fall market on the D trader. So this, I said I don't trade here. This is using for explanation purposes. This is for explanation purposes. You can watch the whole live. You can go back and watch the live. If you go here, for example, you can watch our first signal. By the way, I would recommend each single of you to do that. You can watch. I'm saying, you see, this was for 30.5. My live was ongoing when it was being confirmed. You see, it was crossing the red line. It hadn't confirmed. So you can watch so that you get every bit on how the system is working. Because sometimes I may not repeat everything that I've said. I can't keep repeating everything on what I'm saying. So because I'm seeing some of you are joining my live right now on YouTube, it's Prof. Ben Effect. That is where I'm sharing the screen. So this is types of markets that you can do with the blueprint system. One, accumulators, but different uh, method. Accumulators, we don't trade it the same way because accumulators, that one we don't trade. Let me first not talk about it. So you can trade call and put, you can trade multipliers, you can trade rise and fall and higher and lower using the blueprint system. So to trade rise, you see, we have this, and then let me go back here to explain. You have what? Multipliers. Multipliers has up and down. When the market closes this red line with a confirmation, this one, you enter, you can trade up, rise, higher, or call. Like the live, share the live. And the opposite is true. The fall is when the market crosses the blue line. Like our first signal, we traded. Our first signal, I can check from the confirmation box. The first signal was here, volatility 25. Let me check it. It has been deleted. because of so many markets coming along. Let me see. Can't get it well. You can watch from the live, from the talk live behind. You can watch how it works, and that is has it's a strategy that you can backtest. Even if you traded yesterday, this is what you would have got as your result, like that. And that is why if the only thing you should confirm is the settings are correct, and then after the confirmation, you enter your trade. So I'm seeing like I have like 6 minutes to my live, and I'm kind of wondering, do you have enough time? So this one has not spiked yet. So that one you get out because you are following the system. Okay. And some of you are asking on the channel, which are the best market as a beginner with the booking system to trade? Volatilities, they are the best because they move normally. Boom and crash, like the one we have, like the crash, and they have spikes in between. And God is good. I have seen this. If you were observing this chart, it had crossed the red line. And that is the importance of a confirmation. Just because the market crossed the red line does not necessarily mean that you enter a nice trade long. You must wait for a confirmation. This market may even reverse, terribly go down here. And God is good, I swear it, as I was checking for signal. It may even go down and make you, so you must wait for the confirmation. You must wait for the confirmation. Please, thank you for joining the live. And any question, I want to see if there's anything you're asking. How much is the blueprint system? That is Tiban RX Silver. Send a WhatsApp DM or a TikTok DM or a Discord DM. You discuss on that. You see? So I was saying that, you see, let's say now you are trading, and that is when I say importance. Everything is important. The red line is good, but it's not just closing it. You see the importance of confirmation. As compared, I want you to compare with our first signal. This was our first signal, by the way. You can see it is still going up. Okay, to ensure so that you can understand what I mean, on here, I said I don't close trades here. I don't close the trade because this is not where I'm trading. You can see, even though this one is not refreshed, it can't be $0.6. So this is how that trade went up, down, up, down. Right now, I'm very sure it is over that dollars. So wait, so that is how it went down, up, down, up. So it's refreshing this. Right now, I'm very sure it's on a lot of profits. So you can see the profits going adding. So this was our first signal. I had entered here on this demo account to illustrate for those who don't understand. Otherwise, on my normal stake, I didn't use $50. Don't like lying. I used $15 and I made it clear that I used $15 on my real account. I didn't use $50 because risk management is important. I wish this one, you see, okay, I was comparing a confirmed signal from this point. The market is still going up. You can watch how it started. It's still going up. To a trade where it just crosses the red line, like the one who can remember it was, so that I put it back, we compare. Was it 50 or one? Which I don't remember when. Which one was it? And forgetting. Okay, this is another example I can use. The market is crossing the blue line, but has it confirmed? Has it confirmed? Yes or no? Has it confirmed? No, you don't enter trade. That is a confirmation. That is when you enter. You understand? That is when very fast you come to your day trader. So this one is still going. So ensure the same market you have here. Okay, Because this signal I'm taking time, don't enter this signal because I'm using it for explanation. Don't take this signal. I also haven't taken the signal. I'm using this for explanation. Immediately you get a confirmation. That is when you enter your core trade. You come to multipliers. You check this is what I can 1s. So you ensure you better do something like this. Just be make sure you are want to move it that side. You better do something like this so that you can be able to, if you are not fast enough, this is the maybe the way you can trade. So you can change the market here. You see this that 10-1s, you come change it like that. Provided it's confirmed, you have nothing to worry. You come, if you have $20 on your account. As a beginner, never use these big stakes. Use like times 1,000 as your highest. Don't never go for the extreme down unless now you have used the system for a long time. Then you put a down trade like that. I say don't take this signal. I'm using it for explanation, and that is how you do. But you should enter immediately. Immediately you get a confirmation. We shall see. So let's now find a market that we can now take a signal. Now that you understand, you see this market continue coming, crossing the red line, and not yet confirming. But so unfortunate, I'm also getting like greeting traders, greeting everyone. Welcome to Professor Ben, the Blueprint Trader Live, where we take signals. When I first teach you whatever we are doing, we have taken how many signals? 3 signals. You can watch back the live, how it started, how it's going, and so that you can understand everything. So I teach you how we use the system and take live signals. I had said I led my live the next 3 minutes, and I'm seeing they are almost over. So I'll find another time. I want to join some classes on the VIP and live trading on my community. That is why I'm restricted to going on with trading here. So in my community, there are some people I want to be live trade with, and also install the system and learn now in deep. You know, this is just a simple explanation till you get, so that even when I give free signals, you can be able to take. When you see the market is crossing the red line, you don't just enter, you wait for confirmation and those stuffs. So like this one, if you search to 51s, when the market crosses the blue line, you understand. So on this, my community, that's where I want to go. See, there are free channels. Example here is where you download free bots. Is a free channel. So I want to go on the VIP section, and we trade together there. Of course, I don't forget you, my live, my TikTok community, and also my YouTube friends. I'll be back here. If you're not on the VIP, I'll be back. We shall trade more. I hope now it's time for question. You can just ask anything, trading digits, both a video I made, anything you are hearing, just anything, just ask anything, and let me end my live with the next minute. You can just ask anything, anything. Yes. So you see, oh, it automatically closed at $30. That trade, it closed at $30. The first signal, this one, because the market eventually went that direction so much. So this was our first signal, still going up. So I think by the time it was hitting here, I hit our take profit around this zone. So it also hit the one that I was showing here. So I made my $10 with that trade. I hope you also took the signal If you are late, I'll come back again. We shall have more. So since there's no question here, let me end.